Hello, everyone. Welcome back to IM Professional Cobot Solution. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. The incredible screw locking and picking cobotic workbench. The screw locking mechanism ensures unparalleled accuracy in fastening operations, eliminating any margin for error. And that's not all. The picking function streamlines material handling, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. Imagine reducing assembly times and errors significantly, all thanks to this collaborative robotic workbench. Safety is, of course, a top priority. The collaborative nature of this workbench means it can seamlessly. It's a true partnership between humans and technology, taking productivity to new heights. Increased throughput, reduced errors, and a happier workforce. It's the kind of success story every business dreams of. Arm range up to 900毫米. Repeatability 0.03毫米, more or less. Welcome to Inquire.